A Woman's Place, Unveiling the Heart of the Kiss, written by Oprah Winfrey. The Kiss, a captivating short story by Kate Chopin, transports us to the opulent drawing rooms of 19th century New Orleans. The setting is rich with the elegance and grandeur of the time, where every detail, from the chandeliers to the period decorations, speaks of a society steeped in tradition and social expectations. We meet Natalie, a woman whose charm and beauty captivate the men around her. She is the epitome of grace and allure, navigating the social intricacies of her world with a keen awareness of her own power and the desires of those who surround her. Chopin paints a vivid picture of a society where marriage is a woman's ultimate goal and financial security reigns supreme. The societal pressures are immense, and the choices women make are often dictated by the need for stability and acceptance within their social circles. Natalie finds herself torn between two suitors, the wealthy and dependable Branton and the passionate but less affluent Harvey. Each man represents a different path, a different set of possibilities and compromises, reflecting the broader choices women faced in that era. Through Natalie's story, Chopin invites us to examine the complex dynamics of love, manipulation, and societal expectations. The narrative delves deep into the emotional and psychological struggles that come with balancing personal desires against societal norms. The story's title, The Kiss, becomes a powerful symbol, representing the hidden desires and compromises women make in a world dictated by men. It is a poignant reminder of the silent negotiations and sacrifices that often go unnoticed. Chopin challenges us to question the true meaning of freedom and the choices women make in the face of societal constraints. The narrative pushes us to reflect on how much has changed and how much remains the same in the ongoing struggle for women's autonomy and self-determination. Join me as we delve into the poignant world of the kiss and uncover the timeless relevance of its message for women today. Through this exploration, we will see how Chopin's insights continue to resonate, offering a mirror to our own times and the enduring quest for equality and self-expression. A tangled web, Natalie, Brantain and Harvey. Natalie, a captivating figure, finds herself at the heart of a love triangle. Her beauty and charm draw the attention of two very different men, each offering her a distinct future. Brantain, a man of considerable means, represents stability and societal approval. His wealth and status make him a desirable match in the eyes of society. He adores Natalie, showering her with attention and expensive gifts. His gestures are grand and his intentions are clear. He wants to secure Natalie's hand in marriage. Harvey, on the other hand, embodies passion and excitement. His presence is electrifying and his love for Natalie is intense and consuming. He is smitten with Natalie, but lacks the financial security that Brantain offers. His love is pure and unrestrained, but he cannot provide the same material comforts. Natalie enjoys the attention of both men. She is flattered by Brantain's devotion and the luxurious life he promises, yet she is equally drawn to Harvey's fiery nature and the excitement he brings. She appreciates Brantain's devotion and the luxurious life he promises. The security and comfort he offers are tempting, and she knows that a life with him would be one of ease and social standing. However, she also feels a powerful attraction to Harvey's fiery nature. His passion ignites something within her, a longing for a life filled with love and adventure. Chopin masterfully portrays Natalie's internal conflict as she navigates these two relationships, highlighting the societal pressures that influence her choices. She is torn between the security of Brantain and the passion of Harvey, each man representing a different path for her future. The story unfolds against the backdrop of lavish parties and social gatherings where appearances are everything and whispers of gossip can make or break a reputation. In this world, Natalie must decide which man will be her future, knowing that her choice will shape her destiny. The kiss more than just a gesture. The titular kiss in Chopin's story is a pivotal moment laden with symbolism. It occurs unexpectedly in a darkened room between Natalie and Harvey. While seemingly passionate, the kiss is more a transaction than a genuine expression of love. Natalie uses the kiss to secure a valuable piece of jewelry from Harvey, knowing he cannot resist her. This act reveals Natalie's pragmatism and her willingness to manipulate the men in her life to achieve her desires. The kiss becomes a metaphor for the compromises women make in a patriarchal society. It exposes the power dynamics at play, where women use their charm and sexuality to gain advantage in a world that often denies them agency. Trapped in expectations, Natalie's dilemma. Chopin masterfully captures the societal pressures on women in the 19th century. Marriage for women like Natalie was often seen as the ultimate goal, a means to secure financial security and social standing. Love and personal fulfillment were secondary considerations. Natalie, though seemingly in control, is ultimately a product of her environment. She understands the rules of the game and plays them skillfully. However, her actions also reveal a deep-seated sadness, a longing for something more than the gilded cage of societal expectations. Chopin invites us to empathize with Natalie's predicament, recognizing the limited choices available to women in her time. A calculated game, Natalie's navigation of society. Natalie's character is complex and multifaceted. She is not simply a victim of circumstance, but an active participant in the game of courtship and marriage. She understands the power of her beauty and uses it strategically to achieve her goals. Her interactions with Brantain and Harvey are carefully calculated, each smile and touch a deliberate move in her pursuit of security and perhaps a semblance of love. Chopin challenges us to question our own judgments of Natalie. Is she a cunning manipulator or a woman simply trying to make the best of her limited options? The story provides no easy answers, forcing us to confront the complexities of female agency in a restrictive society. Love's illusion, the price of freedom. The ending of the kiss leaves the reader with a sense of unease. Natalie, having successfully secured a proposal from Brantain and a valuable gift from Harvey, seems to have achieved her goals. Yet there is a hollowness to her victory. She has won the game, but at what cost? Chopin leaves us to ponder the true meaning of freedom and happiness. Has Natalie found fulfillment in her calculated choices, or has she sacrificed genuine love and connection for the sake of societal expectations? The kiss serves as a powerful reminder that true freedom lies not in playing by society's rules, but in forging our own paths, even if they challenge the status quo. Beyond the surface, the enduring relevance of the kiss. The kiss, though set in the late 19th century, resonates deeply with contemporary audiences. Chopin's exploration of love, manipulation, and societal pressures transcends time and place. The themes she tackles are as relevant today as they were over a century ago. We still grapple with the complexities of relationships, the weight of societal expectations, and the pursuit of personal fulfillment. The kiss serves as a timeless reminder of the importance of authenticity, the dangers of sacrificing our values for fleeting gains, and the power of making choices that align with our true desires. A timeless tale echoes of Chopin's message. Kate Chopin's The Kiss is more than just a story. It is a powerful statement about the human condition. It reminds us that while times may change, the fundamental desires for love, connection, and freedom remain constant. Chopin's work continues to challenge and inspire us to examine our own lives and the choices we make. Her stories encourage us to embrace our individuality, to question societal norms, and to strive for a world where both men and women can live and love authentically. The power of choice, embracing our own narratives. As we reflect on the complexities of the kiss and the choices made by its characters, we are reminded of our own power to shape our destinies. Each decision, no matter how small, contributes to the larger tapestry of our lives. We may not always control our circumstances, but we can choose how we respond to them. Our reactions, our resilience, and our resolve define us more than the situations we face. Natalie's story serves as a cautionary tale, urging us to define success on our own terms and to pursue relationships built on genuine connection rather than societal expectations. Her journey teaches us the importance of authenticity and the courage to follow our hearts. Chopin's message is clear. We have the power to rewrite the narrative. We are the authors of our own stories, capable of making choices that reflect our true selves. Let us choose to live authentically, embrace our individuality, and create a world where love and freedom triumph over societal constraints. By doing so, we honor our unique paths and inspire others to do the same. The power to choose our own stories lies within each of us. It is a gift and a responsibility, urging us to live with intention and purpose.